Hi, I'm Peter Hayes, Team Leader of Special Projects. This short video details the purpose of the 2013 National Partnership Project Literacy and Numeracy, as well as the expectations and reporting requirements of participating schools. At the end of 2012, the federal government announced a new Literacy and Numeracy National Partnership to assist schools improve the outcomes of students who were showing difficulties in literacy and numeracy learning. Project schools identified in the Catholic system of Western Australia are those schools with 20% or more students who are at or below the national minimum standard in reading and or numeracy. There will be 3 reporting milestones associated with this project, the first of which is due at this stage at the beginning of April. The first report will indicate your school focus, your focus cohort and the target students. Completion of the report is detailed in the second part of this video. A teacher survey will also be administered at your school site in order to ascertain improvement in evidence-based teaching and learning of literacy and numeracy. The survey instrument will be developed by the office and administered at your school. Pre- and post-survey completion will be required as part of this project. A final report detailing post-data will be required in October 2013. To assist you in meeting these reporting expectations and put in place the strategies, consultants from the Catholic Education Office will be available. They will be contacting you soon in order to ascertain the level of the support that you will require. For primary schools, your allocated school support consultant will be in contact with you. And for secondary schools, a secondary literacy or numeracy consultant will be in contact. I wish you well in your endeavours and hope we can assist you in the best possible way this year. Thank you. A blank copy of this report has been sent along with the letter. School details are entered at the top of the form. In this section, you need to nominate whether you are having a literacy or numeracy or a focus on both literacy and numeracy. In this case, it is a focus on literacy. Details of the focus cohort are entered here. It could be junior or senior school, whole school, or a specific year level. In this case, it is year 1. As a school, you will need to determine the assessment tool you will use for pre- and post-assessment of the focus cohort. This could be running records, the mathematics assessment interview, PAT reading, or PAT maths. You are not restricted to these assessments, but it is important that you are able to use the same assessment and be able to report on post-assessment results in October this year. In this section, you are detailing cohort data. It is important that you do not have any information that could be used to identify the students, particularly students' names. For this reason, we will ask you not to name students on the report sent to us, but label them as student 1, 2, 3 as indicated in this example. Please keep on record how you have labelled your students so that you can match post-assessment data accurately. This report shows that there are 3 columns. You can add columns to the pre-assessment data or you can take columns away. Also, you are asked to provide attendance data. The attendance data is in relation to the focus cohort to the beginning of March. Once the cohort data is detailed on the report, you will be asked to highlight the students who will be the target of the strategies employed this year. In this example, those students are highlighted in yellow. In the final section of the report, you will be asked to detail the planned strategy that you will put in place for the target students. David Wood and Deborah Sace have discussed various types of strategies with groups of principals over the past months. have encouraged schools to collaborate and pool money in order to develop appropriate regional interventions. Even if you do collaborate, you are required to submit an individual school report.